I really just forgot my camera at home. So annoying. So I'm on my iPhone. If the quality looks completely different, it's because I'm filming with my iPhone right now. I don't really like vlogging with my iPhone because I don't know, I feel like it just looks completely different, but I always have it in my freaking bag, but for some reason I don't know why it's not in here. I must have just left it on the tripod or something in the shop, but you guys are probably wondering, I'm not home, so where am I at? So I just pulled up to Newport Beach area, Irvine area, because today we are dropping off the Mustang to get wrapped. Finally, guys, I'm so freaking excited. I just pulled up to the boys over at Premium OC. They're gonna be taking care of the wrap on the Mustang. And yeah, it's pretty much gonna be here for the next 1 to 2 weeks. I didn't expect I was gonna wrap this car so soon, but I just dialed in the fitment. I got the kit fitted as good as I want to. We got the fitment looking so freaking good, guys. Check it out. This thing is sitting literally perfect. Check out the rears. I've been working on the rears a lot too. Look at this. This is crazy fitment. It just perfectly sits inside the fender. I mean, the next big thing is wrap, really. For the meantime, I was riding around with unpainted fenders, which honestly kind of look paint matched to the OEM color. It's very, very close. It's time to give this car the gorgeous spec and fully wrap this thing. We got the bags, the wide body, the wheels, the fitment. Look at the fitment, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude. I've seriously been geeking over this car ever since I fixed the fitment.
Our boy Chris is in the building. I think we got a color in mind, but I thought he was already aired out. Car, bro. This is sick.
Man, this is tough.
Hey, you're a Camaro guy. What do you think about a Mustang?
I'm an American Muscle guy.
Hey, he's got a Camaro guy. We got Chris Borgs in the building.
Finally, we get to do a project together, bro. How long are you gonna give me the car? That's a dangerous
a reckless question. Tell him 24 hours.
Imagine. You can have a couple weeks or something.
Hey, he said a month. He said a month.
A month? Oh shit, I don't know about a month.
I say 2 weeks, we could have it done. When it comes to wrapping a wide body car, obviously it takes a little bit more work, it takes more material, more time, more labor. We're gonna have to take everything off the car, you know the drill. You gotta guess the color below in the comments because you're not gonna believe it. You're not gonna believe what the man would decide to go.
I wanna ask you what color you think you would do.
If I was me, what do I do?
My opinion out.
I think a stealth color would look crazy on
Stealth,
it.
yeah.
Like a satin finish, you know what I mean? Just
The body line.
The body lines would pop, bro. But my man's got an acquired taste. He's already told me, he's like, I don't want any stealth. What would you do?
Honestly, I don't know. With white wheels, I don't know.
The thing, white wheels work with anything.
White wheels,
like dark color, bright color, it goes.
Yeah,
true. Also, we might, I don't know if you're so down, but
100%.
a little, I don't know if I want to say too much, but a little reveal with this thing here at
Right here at the
Premium,
shop. So we do a little private meet and greet here at night.
So this is Chris's first time being here.
Yeah.
You guys already know that's my spec right there, white wheels. Yeah, I put white wheels on everything, man.
Spec right here.
I thought about doing white on white, not gonna lie. I thought about it, but
It looks crazy under this light. Like, it looks bright. All right, guys, so we just finished up the podcast. That was really off the cuff. We didn't really plan on doing it, but we did it, and I thought it was dope. So hopefully Chris enjoyed it. I kind of put him on the spot. But got the Mustang out there. I think we decided on the color. Chris, how do you feel about that podcast, bro?
I loved it, bro. It was a fun time. We got a little deep, you know, but
We got really deep.
yeah.
So the podcast, I'll probably put it up on like a podcast channel. So I'm gonna do like on a different page. But yeah, man, that was dope.
Super excited, bro. Such a pleasure, man. All right, y'all, headed back to Premium. It's been like, I want to say 3 to 4 days. I brought my camera. As you can see, last time I freaking forgot my camera, which is so annoying. Yeah, we're headed back. I think today we're gonna be disassembling the car. We're gonna pull up, see what's up, probably get a little bit of hands on the car. Then I think the wrap roll came in already. So the roll is gonna be there right now. We're gonna check it out. It'll probably be black and white, but you guys can get a little teaser in this video. So we'll get to see the roll, which is super sick. I mainly want to put it next to the car. I want to see what the color looks like next to the car. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm literally almost to premium. We're about like 13 minutes away, and let's get it. I'm excited. I missed the Mustang, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's been like I said, 3 to 4 days without it. All right, just like that, we made it to premium. And you can tell you're at premium once you see all the supercars outside. We got a little Huracan next to us, and then the McLaren. The Mustang is literally over there. You can't really see it, but it's all the way in the corner right there. Check out the lineup though. Damn. It's like the odd one out, obviously the FRS, but dude, the freaking Lambos. This is a new one. Check this out, bro. Oh shoot, got a crash CS on the MV Forge wheels. Color is crazy. It's like a color shift. It's like purple and blue. I don't know, did we go with the color shifting color? Do you think we went with the color shifting one on the Mustang? I've honestly never done one. That's a possibility. Dude, look at this. Center exit too. That looks crazy, dude. This one's super. I'm not a fan of silver cars, but this one's really nice. Nice little satin silver Huracan. One day, man. One day we'll level up from FRS. Yeah, it's pretty much been the home of the Mustang, man, ever since I dropped it off. Dude, this lighting is freaking sick. Got it posted up, literally ready. I think today we're gonna start disassembly. So we're gonna take off the wide body kit. Yeah, we're gonna officially prep this up. Dude, it's gonna be crazy. The lighting is hella sick though, look at this. Got this little booth in the back. Especially with the new wrap color, it's gonna look sick under this lighting. Damn, last moments of the car with that dark, I wanna say black, it's not black, but it's like a dark gray. But last moments, guys, final look at the car. I definitely picked a color that will go really well with the white wheels. I feel like you can't go wrong with this color, but dude, with the white wheels, it's gonna be so hard. And the clear tails. To consider everything, bro. I just don't like picking a wrap color, you know, any color. I like considering a lot of the small details in the car. So that's pretty much what I do with all the cars. So yeah, I feel like it's gonna be really sick. Yeah, that's gonna be crazy. Jeez. I know it's black and white for you guys, but that's crazy.
One of those colors. This is one of those colors, dude. Where when you take a picture of,
yeah,
it won't do justice.
Dude,
you gotta see this thing in person because you're gonna get that glimmer of.
Yeah.
So
I'm excited, bro.
Dude, this is gonna look nuts, bro.
With the white wheels too, yeah.
One of one, dog.
Dude, it's like I don't know if I've ever done a color like this. I know it's black and white for you guys right now, but like. It's not, I don't want to say color shifting, kind of in a way.
It's like a real, like,
it's like a metallic.
Good, strong metallic. Like,
yeah.
This is not just a regular metallic. This is.
I'm excited, man.
You know, the cap sheet, dude, it's just like crazy.
Yeah, I'm so used to like pastel, solid colors.
Yeah,
but
no, this is gonna give you that crazy glimmer, dog. Sunset hour, dude.
Sunset, yeah.
Sunset hour.
Alright y'all, so this is pretty much where we left off today. Honestly, like almost everything is disassembled. Took off all the fenders. Right now he's working on the inside, all the mirrors, door handles. That's like the intricate stuff. That's like stuff I don't even know how to do. Most of the rear end, you know, like this little deck lid, the wing, tail lights, so it's getting there, bro. Pretty much honestly everything is disassembled. They'll probably start the wrap. I think they're saying like tomorrow or in the next few days, so I'm excited, man. Next time you guys see this on the vlog, it's probably gonna have some wrap on it, to be honest. Sadly, it's gonna be black and white. I can't show you guys yet, but I'm excited, man, to get this thing going, and it's gonna look like a complete different car.
Okay, so if you reached this, what is it? What do YouTubers say? So if you reached this part of the video, so if you reached this part of the video,
I told you.
anyways, I'm gonna guess what the color of the car is gonna be. This man will, yeah, this man will not tell me.
If I tell you the color, that's like there's no hype, you know, like.
I think it's going to be either blue or red.
Everybody thinks it's gonna be red.
Well, because you've said it. Actually, you know what? Now that you told me that, I think it's gonna be. to the point where his reaction just told me everything. Or it's gonna be red. I don't know. This, I don't know. This man, I don't know. I hope it's some color that we haven't seen yet. That's all I hope for. I want to pay, Steve.
I showed them. Damn. I showed them, but it was black and white. Where we go?
And I hope to see everybody at the rap. Oh yeah, you haven't told them?
We're gonna do a whole rap reveal event, just like the STI. So we're gonna have it covered under the little car cover. We're gonna have like probably a DJ, food, music. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, it's gonna be in Irvine too, so it's kind of like, I feel like a lot of you guys are from LA, SoCal area, so it's kind of like in the heart of SoCal. So yeah, you guys saw the shop already, you know, at Premium, so it's gonna be there.
It's gonna be sick.
It's like they have like a showroom literally, so it's gonna be like super cool, like under the little lighting area that you guys saw. We'll probably have the car covered there, and yeah, it's gonna be fire. Alright, so I hope I don't get copyright for this music here, but
So loud.
I don't know, we're trying this new slider spot. We love burgers. Spot in San Diego, first time. You got a pickle beer? Pickle beer. No? You like it, really? I kind of want to try it. I hate beer. Yeah, that's better than normal beer, for sure. But yeah, this is the life of Chris Borges if I'm not doing car stuff. Trying new food spots.
With me.
Literally, that's all we do.
Big bag.
We just big bag it if I'm not doing car stuff. You good?
That's like one of the best micheladas I've had.
Check it out. Got a couple sliders, Nashville hot chicken. Oh, it's bomb. Oh, the Cajun fries too.
Can't forget.
Gotta love a good Cajun fry. These are the best. That was freaking bomb. Yeah, you guys gotta try this place. Yeah, dropped like 60 bucks on some freaking sliders. That's pretty fire though. What's this place called? Rosemary's?
Rosemary.
Yeah, the place is called Rosemary's. And try the Rosie Mac. It's pretty bomb. Low-key did not pay for parking, but I think we're good. We didn't get no ticket. Alright guys, well that's pretty much the end of the video. Today is March 29th, Saturday. They actually sent me a couple videos. I'll show you guys right here. They're actually moving so freaking fast on the Mustang. I think it's gonna be done like way earlier than I expected. So crazy, dude, look at this. Bro, they are moving on the car. They got so much material on it already. So Daniel from Premium is actually saying if I'm down to do wrap reveal event on April 5th, this upcoming Saturday. So if everything checks off, everything is done, probably gonna do the wrap reveal event on April 5th. So be sure to follow my Instagram, you know, at Chris Borges. I do post a lot on my stories. I post a lot on Instagram. It's way easier for me to update you guys on like details and stuff that's going on Instagram. So yeah guys, that's the plan. You know, a DJ, food, probably merch, like limited merch. I think I'm gonna do a collab piece with Premium. I have like all the sponsors of the Mustang on the shirt, you know, a picture of the Mustang with the new wrap. Yeah, merch, DJ, music, food. If you guys went to like the STI rap reveal event, probably something like that. So yeah, it should be super cool, man. If you guys are in the area or want to come through, like I said, stay tuned, you know, on Instagram. I'll be posting a lot, and I'll try to get a video out obviously before that event so I can talk more about it if it's for sure happening. So that's super exciting, man. You guys will probably get to see the Mustang officially wrapped and everything by this upcoming weekend. Lots happening. I'm so excited to show you guys. And yeah guys, smash the like button if you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it all works out this upcoming weekend and we can have it this Saturday. But yeah, I love you guys so freaking much. Thank you all for, you know, making all this happen. Seriously, it's such a blessing. Thank you guys for the support on the giveaway. You know, that is obviously still live right now, so get your entries in. The link will be down in the description below. But yeah, just thank you guys so much for the support on that. And yeah, hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.